How to make Windows 10 work faster. So you have two steps. You can either do this clicking on this battery icon and select this according to your needs. Now if you want maximum performance and if your Windows to run at maximum capacity, then you can simply slide this to this best performance. Another method that is a little bit technical, we will go into this task manager and we will actually close the unnecessary apps from here. But what we can do is start up, open this, and I will actually shut down the apps which I don't use usually. Like I don't use this, I will actually I can actually disable that. And if I don't use this like Skype, I have disabled that earlier. Why? Just because I don't use this at frequently. Now I actually don't use this, I have also disabled that. So this is, you can actually minimize the load on your PC, and due to this your Windows will run faster.
Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe.